What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Kyosho FAZER MK2 GT Savanna. What I'm doing today, I'm gonna just drift around real quick because I haven't been up in this schoolyard for a while. And in this system, I'm running this thing coming off. I'm running a Copperhead 10 ESC 3S ESC capable 4S. So without any further ado, let's get into it.
Ready.
Full throttle. Whoa. Oh, what happened? Got back out here with the Kyosho. Rocking that Copperhead too, even though I lost my fan. Yeah, but this car got the best handling out of all my street cars. The Kyosho, man, best handling. Only thing I gotta be careful, I don't want it to overheat on me. Oh, this thing is up here. Whoa, I got a little dizzy there. Yo, I love my Kyoshos, man. Love my Kyoshos. Yo. Gotta take it easy on it, though. Yeah, these tires about done though. Yeah, but this thing got nice handling, nice speed. I flipped this car, I think maybe once. A little side wide body tip part is off. I can redo that. That's nothing. Upgraded system. Even though the old system ain't bad, neither the old system is not bad, but I wanted, like, basically all my Kyoshos, the FAZER MK2 did about 55 miles an hour. Topped out at 55 miles an hour no matter what. No matter how you do it. But I went a lot faster, so. And I think this one probably does it. I don't see it though. I still see about 55 miles an hour, but this is 4S capable, so. This is force capable, so possibly can get more speeds out of it. I will try to drift around the rocks, but I'm gonna try to drift around these poles, see how I can do, even though it's a little raggy out here, but let's give it a shot. Alright, a little too fast. Why you keep spinning out like that? Got me a little rough on it, guys. Terrain a little rough here, so I'm having a hard time. Something's wrong though. Yeah, I'm about to. Oh. Alright, let's try one more time. It's hard to do this one-handed. I can't do it. Too rough over here. Yeah, if you can see, I messed up the motor wire. And what else? It was dragging, so I got to tape that. I noticed it's not getting full power. That's probably why. I just did this and didn't record none of it, so dead straight. I'm not even putting no input in the steering. Whoa. Yo, this thing's a pure beast, a pure menace. This is a must-have. I fell in love with Kyosho's about 4 years ago. I don't know, I love them touring cars, man. This is the best touring car to me so far. I had a few, had Team Associated, had something else and a something else. And this one seemed to be the one I like the most. Just the handle on that thing. Woo! Whoa. If I had a more aerodynamic body, it would perform like this at all times. Yo, but this thing is a, yo. Just some minor things I need to do. Performance ain't one of them, I'll tell you that much. This thing performed like a champ, man. Like, all I need to do is fix this, solder these wires together, because it's not pushing power like it did in the beginning. But I wish I could have did a speed test, but that's coming soon, because I don't believe I did a speed test. Or maybe I did a semi-speed test on this, but not too much. But I hope you enjoyed that video. More coming soon. Hit that like button, notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.